Let me describe your workflow. Applications come in full of narrative and context. You conduct interviews, due diligence, review 1, review 2, then data collection, stage 1, stage 2, maybe stage 5. At every single stage, you're generating qualitative data, interview transcripts, theory of change documents, open-ended responses. And here's the problem with qualitative data analysis today: none of it connects. Think about what happens in a typical grant cycle. Your program officers conduct deep interviews during due diligence. They capture breakthrough insights about what makes a program work. That's rich qualitative data. But those transcripts, they live in a folder somewhere. Traditional qualitative data collection, surveys, forms, captures maybe 5% of the real context, just numbers, the other 95% unanalyzed. The CEP 2025 survey tells this story. 94% of leaders want AI, but only 4% apply it systematically to qualitative data analysis. Meanwhile, your staff is using ChatGPT without governance. This isn't a technology problem, it's a context problem. But here's what most people miss. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. What if every stage shared qualitative context? What if your theory of change informed how you analyze survey responses? This is what modern qualitative data analysis makes possible. This is exactly why we built Sopact Sense, a platform purpose-built for qualitative data analysis that connects context across your workflow. First, unified collection. Second, AI-powered analysis that transforms months into minutes. Third, theme extraction that preserves nuance. Fourth, qualitative and quantitative data integration. When a story explains a metric, you see it. Fifth, multiple reports, data gaps, maturity assessment, even multilingual reporting, all from the same connected qualitative data. Here's what this means. Every document contains insight. The question is, can your analysis actually access it? When data unifies, you stop just reporting activities. You start proving impact. And you finally answer, why did this work? In this playlist, we cover everything about qualitative data analysis, how to set it up, connect stages, and extract themes. Here's what I need you to do. Hit subscribe so you never miss a video. Bookmark this playlist. I'll see you in the next video.